Amafo we am so for me de kwaku men we bet my friend me Bob Siga 111666 I love you I kiss you hey we ye be taste we ye mo school scantan engragaga interview abin so cool na waje so there what you say we aggressive they be catch us aggressive interview a package it said you would do birthday na wo cake na the same time when you candle kitu bi so what you say na wo kra knife because cake yemfa yesi na twa ye de yensa ese kan na twa ti asema making a package na ukuta wo champagne abetu ama no agipon and they say we do birthday nene open kase na me need nkomo sisi a nipa me need nkomo be say eh kwakuma no and the baby o wadu no me need the powerful player wonye say wo yi player just keke yes kotoko ana has king facer ana no the US team we a blaster player our bobo ball our international. Then now I'm speaking and the international player I'm coming talking to him today to the aggressive interviews. They did it as Asamoah Gyan. I know a captain ma blaster. Papa. I don't know. Introduction there. I look right to make it 3 hours. Obi some introduction because as I knew who cry.
Oh yeah, there.
Na boko there.
Boko.
Oh, a boko pa yemo akwaba so aggressive so.
Yeah.
Nice one. My mommy should na mentor so.
Yeah.
Because
very dear.
Nice one. So you want
Paradise and the same.
and then me soft my message so na Paradise TV.
Paradise TV.
Yes.
Catch him.
Yeah. My Vida. Also Paradise TV. And the more the mutu for more.
Uniform.
I saw what people from campus or
Uniform. So we need to 1 + 1.
But when you to one for mammy, my genisa, and more there. Consumer my benumber will be corner one side the cacao. Madame Fubiconumbi, and she'll be economy. Yanamu Shabi. I dream by dream back. I'm going to. I mean, saying, yes, Papa. It means audio to you. Papa, aggressive is in your way. Then a tear for near the phobia, just so many veggie. Say, Yenya Asamoah Gyan, blaster captain, or a year aggressive so. O because Asamoah Gyan, one year Asamoah Gyan.
Asamoah Gyan, you can be sometimes, you know, say, send you be a human. Yeah. OT, so, yeah, big star.
Okay. Legend. The beer.
Humanity, at the Paneton,
sanity,
the records in there, and he was sending you it me home. But me, you be a me, you can say, me, you
send him. Aha, will be you be. Okay.
So, yeah, seeking you, say me, Nipa, between. Obi wo ho am tumi balu wo ho
okay
e wo high so tumi ko
high
nti ni nyina bi mu
yesu die ni bi no so ne sua fo na medu be ko ho mo na ase
nti sana meti ena mi obi a say ma sa de no ku tirim too much na bi a say ebu no ekofo nti ho memo wo hu
okay so obi a won ne nso
yes me last born
oh
the family last one. Say first one your bar. Baby's Mensa Gyan.
Okay.
Then a second one Bafo Gyan will be any
Bafo Gyan there. Rapping your phone in the park.
Michael Puku Gyan on the behind the scene. No, man will behind the scene.
Okay.
Or won't tell who Papa.
Okay.
On a third one.
Okay.
And I mean, last.
It's one I say 5 and a 4. Yeah, 4. More 4. Or Babako. Hey, I Papa so avoid more. Because Onyama oba one na emema miensa fine enti enyame won wase manfo se utimi yode
oh mitimi me there in some way sometimes say we can say we are last baby
yes
me modie me ofie modie say ya fa ne say yenya enyi obi eni but me ofie dia family
okay
it is our last baby no
on the set me then we
yes on the your family dia and me fa ne say first na ndene de
ewo ho
nice one dia aggressive no
okay and the sanity akobina ka was ye business a na ye business ye fie no ma na ye fie no ma ono an ka wo na kura wo fo ka na wo je ne loro fe
sir
nice one there's a asemojan and ye din komo but me tatie no out abonten amafo bebre ka se asemojan kura se nya ne bra kura kwantimi amobo oh ba fo jan ne bo ano yeso wo kwa no okura ne bag kura ne jesi ho asem te sei
we say the biaya me advise go for say obi to me ba say for example a question now be say no obi to me ba say we be asamwa bia o di be ko team we a bia e be fine team ni dey me do be ko
okay
bia ye be hwe me say
wunti
but obetumi aye
okay
oko a obetumi
manimu ase wudi me din na eko
nice one
ba wo be ye de me mepe
nice one what I say obetumi di wa ko team easily but if you am out pass
wunti
they because if you are in Bacono ferry because boss yeah
okay
or the wa bounce home
okay
wunti me
okay
but there do be ti sana meka sa den there na me
o ba wo brade ne so
me ba me brother dey so na meka man ka say sa na me boa because onu na ma me exposure no on me din me to me rural place bi
okay
but me rural place na
we ye di ntia odi ne din ko na we ye ho aduma
yes if your expectation na go for hwehwe no ehwe say ba for janwia na obituma ya me ya na ma ya boso
okay na credit na ko bla din mu
what you say me ko ya na ma nko ya
credit ne ma nice one
nti no ukọ ayo so ukoye
okay
me metumi yi obi etukwan o se okobo justify oko me du tukwan ya okọ ana waba
next wasa okubo mas
nti me mpese sa de nti obi bie kwan ne ma wa se oye bi
kenya ho
nice one
na won say din no
nice one
because me kai say feel like cash be active form man fi ni kra me se da hwe say we serious wo de o kan ho ana if you find the bag or come say police star ebere bi du ansa me hu say akwana ni abre so person ye bibia ansa na me de ne ye dey eje
no buy any so to say
oh smooth
what I say nti e no na e we no adipa kon do beba o
okay
ba oba oh asumesi anakuku mi pacho acting
me ni che ho me pese me ye e fa odi ni twa kwa na edu se ye ni twa de na wote baabi mami ka ho so but the bla mani aha o mabre let's when you serious any fair but won't me
yes
nice one we aggressive interview we most school scantan and gragaga interview ye gusu e twetwe nkomo ne ye didi nkomo what you say bo question apese me bisa ama nice one na football no school sem na we ya de kakra de
school sem no the whole school primary level no na madwumu da ho minim say ade no kire ma mehu ye obi o kire na de wu
okay
what I say but me na defia na me problem
okay me say na wo kire ma de na mehu me de ne bi no nya de mehu o de me ke kura no me bre pass
me na wo kire me ade a mehu but na defia no
ompe
me mpe
okay
me mpe sa but me fa book na me see me defia me ye
ade me free day
because of ball na me ball
because
me so ni nya na me hu de me
oh okay eti na wo focus ball no
yes enye obiara na e was a
gift
no
okay
say o to me hu ade say see that person
enti JSS na wie
say me wie JSS na me ba Accra Academy baby akoye stadium ma wo oh okay ho SS enti wie ano so am for say wan wie oh bro wan wie am hu wie 2002 yeah mbre so na SHS ba 2 years nti me call 2000
okay
and I be 2002
okay
ti be 2002 after a year na me ball blaster
na so de nyame pagya wo ntem uhunu sikantem uhunu sikantem
say nsade ne de edidem
okay edibia okay
edidem ko music side which is about Mali onyum na yenwu bi nim
okay
na mi yenwu me ba me beti ni dim
okay
ye bo ne nyum sisi a wa uhunu se ye wonkofo bi omoba omudidem
okay na se nkofo bi omudidem de bia me ka se ye se ye de form na tie ne bo nipa but me re fi se na tie ne gold wo form ana diamond so sa wo form ti se wutra nye ye na wo na tie koye se desert so anwea de a wawu na won koye gold so anwea de a na wahuru aso ti wo de no hwe diamond na ye gold
de no ye sure say Also, we no see Twitter package.
Package.
Until me me greedy, until me funny.
Obe funny na. Akobo say dey me gas wire. Na so be here, so ba wire. Nice one. Na boss, free say we start say we ball. Team be na now ball. Na bre be na wonya akonya de call national team.
Oh, me start here any day. You better new baby. New for under 10. And I tell nothing the friend United Kingdom babies.
Okay.
And if I am a ball, Kaka, me call course. Me call course level, me call man probi. On probi side, me call ball. Mighty victory. Okay. Mighty victory. No talk about team. No, no chair.
One are the call. We don't talk about Kuma. Okay.
Say, management in Kasakasa. Kasakasa na emu chair. It's emu chair. No. Ena binim ti omo form sit-ups.
Okay.
What I say? It's sit-ups no. Me omo go form sit-ups no. Me make omo side because na slighted liberty and ya wonya ni baby.
Okay.
No na mfo ni omo side. Nti e wo say me so me call side. But honestly mom there na sa mighty victory no. Omo na omo ma me be boy nti no e ba ni sa no me ni option yente wo say me call. Me call na me go ku sakra nti e ho no mo na me dey call Liberty Academy.
Okay.
Ti me boku so na me bo Liberty Academy because academy there. Say me no.
Okay, so ho.
Nti no. Ti ye ho na Joseph Tukwefi on so nya ni baby coach. Ex coach. Cecil just Joseph Tukwefi. Do who say ye train. To who say ye train na. Enu po no nim say ba for jan yan.
Okay,
ba won asem na American.
Okay.
Who's abesiso?
Abesiso. That's a hard work now we ye ho. One mo utrima anya wo de say me nuane ayi ba for janti.
Nice one.
Eseme da.
What you say?
Oh ye hard training.
Ti o tu be hu me no. Ti later say boy we Ihan was senior team.
Wow.
Satana me Michael Egbe mu ni sana manti. Opomutu me ba senior team.
Etinya wo bra ne so nsa do ko wura na. Yesi wo bra ne do ko se wa mama wa mobia. Omo. Ebia what is asem we? Yesi ba for jai ko do ko coach me ka bibia wa mami nua ya mobo ni bia nya dia mebo. Me mo.
David. Enumpo no o se sa time na me brother no o de wo ko obi hu se. Me coach time no ba for jai nua ni o. Yesi ni se. Yan hwe de obi chi me.
Okay.
Because na my idea.
Wow.
Na e wule moko.
Why molo kono na duro.
What you say? Ti obi hu mi na, Jones hu mi na, opomutu mi ko. Later na catch me say,
ba for jam. Yes, a promotion na free kwa de krokro mo.
What you say? Ba me no me ko baby a, for example, if I me ko baby na nko obi ani mi wo ha. Me nko kan tell me say, ye fe na samoja.
Okay.
Wo ma ko tina si cool.
Na o hwe bi.
Ba if I me ni ye mema hu say we obi.
Asa wo man lose many panel.
What you say?
Obi metrati afa ho di so.
Okay, me ni ye bi anase wo. If your personality na me de wo na me ti ho. Obi wo country bi wo me ko omunim ball, omunim Ghana player bia.
Okay.
But if you me ni ye me trans ya be say na me move, say na me kasa, if you me press na bi.
Fon bi ekuta wo.
Yes, o me kasa.
To wo che bi.
Boy we obi tu be sam say ye frɛ me say na magache wo so ye frɛ na Samoa. Me kan normal.
Okay.
Nti e ba ni sana. Ohun so yi obi no akogogo. Google no akogogo no ohun say. Ye kan ye.
Wow.
Say the boy ni ye bibi. What I say? Nti no. Sana na ade ne ye.
Samu. Nice one. Sana na ye. Na say say ne bra na so no sase de. Ghana de yedin komo. Ye ne yedin komo brutal. But bro, say wo fan say wo bo match. Uti Ghana. And social media so ye ni social media net.
Yeah.
Bigidi say osora no pa de first thing odi ka ko ho ye phone. Oko hwe de esi wo wiase. Say bi say o pre da say ashi o say nshi o. O pese o hwe. Cause as a mojan me mo reba kokura tekura na Ghana ni wiase nyina beti. Say wo bobo na ogina fan say Ghana call Africa Cup on na aben sisi yi. Na ye call ye na say bi abo obi, esen ko bi hye na wanhye. Na ye be yi abafia, say na camp no say na feeling no. Personal player wo say.
Say honestly, who say okobo na okoyi mistake bi na say obo bibi na like ye wie match na.
Put me da. And I want me call social media nim.
Oh, say social media na very powerful.
Yes.
Obi ho e bia why bibi onim say nkofo be kanti onkoso.
Okọ na kuma be me ya.
Because onim say be ka onim grow free.
Kai Santaya.
What I say because me say you know ye wo me Ghana
okay
ma boku schools e bit me do atem ma wo se course no o bo ye twa park we hia
and you go no net
obi to be fans me ba park so be ye
wo timon
we are no o ja nti ye sa de na kokwayen
okay
wo say sometimes we out if here go to meet is we cry the Ghana for ye ni still because me my akokwa me feel course what I say it no me no o kama say ma e bia ho no say me nipa
okay
it me shimi
yes
make me react
okay
wo ho na
okay the feel
if you were no ma forget it no say no kai no e be ko ma china nko yi definitely what you remember as a connection no
na as a oti bom because me hwe wo ba ko bi a penalty bi no so alesi how mo pa as a view atade wo park no so
yeah because on say ho no
Ghana nyina ni tasamoja so
na Ghana nko
wiase nyina satam na sa
Ghana nko na na e wo tournament
na Africa nyina ani da ye na sa penalty ni kosei ase ho no na wa yira do ankam gisa ba yira akupire Israel
sa dey no hey madrid go fast like as a communication bibi what I say madrid Ghana straight
wow
and I feel some call the whole of Africa
wow
hey se be obi enya hatata won say san man bebre
ye dia kuma na hwe
eti hona me ye go be hwe video na won say me ye din na me san ma vim no bae
yes
esi
but next penalty so share
say hono
na bibi krema na sa penalty
na mpese me chiro bia say mistake
wow okay
mistake na but na mpese me pu chiro bia say make me ache
because you share na US match na friendly match no penalty we say no but free kick we share and also na we share da na penalty one share but free kick we share
sometimes me be say me say I don't know about this because we say me club side yinya penalty na me ko fabo na woni say
so wona obebo
ache
okay
what I say okay. But I don't know akoye history bi ewo me side wo Ghana say we are mako say penalty for World Cup masako say you what I say
okay
that's the world national jersey no
okay
but I don't oye there paper
record no
nti I say forgetting now movie on
we aggressive interview we Moscow Scantan and Gaga interview abisuko no waje so dedem but ye ka wiase nyina so ye ka the world record ewo goals mu ewo World Cup a be just on that so top and obi abetu
African player was the goal
World Cup
no 6
6 goals still na yan ko World Cup ni nyina echi no still na ha no oda so 6 na obi ametu
sisi ade obi ametu bia obi ba ametu but
say I wanna was
the other second no ni Ojai Bobo say we Jamila
okay
na say so Musa Nigeria player no so be share 4
okay on so Ojai Bobo no
that on the Nigeria for
who record because who goes to crowd one Messi crane is a good and Messi shares a goals will be
so recently
Omoko World Cup here Ronaldo
so Nancy no so be breaky
but say any US match bi you make us omode be share World Cup no mu a ka record bi a fastest goal you share our World Cup mu na o share 2006
yeah
like one more ball kwa say we share that so we ko ball but o ball for wo record bi wo ball mu a Ghana kura ampo team national team obi no go so sen
say unse na me kan say edidem nkofo bi ba edidem
okay
unse national team no nkofo bebre since time anya independence
easy
nkofo bebre abobi dawo
yes
obi wo ya friend wa ba camp da
wow
what I say onu so be kan say ya friend blaster na wa blaster
e bi be mo man kan
obi flash obi wo ho a onu so boy ba obi wo a oba oja bibi
otu waja bibi
yes
aya abakwasem
yewo ye nna mka se san go ndidem
okay
say records na edida ho no uyi since anya independence 5 uka se u dem me ka 3 po a bia we be fi say so dem me start with 10
okay
u bought 10 free independence unyi me di free
as a moja dia
yeah me can confident because I say because records not down
why bibi
unyi 5 unyi me free
wow
because yen can't the phone on be kwan na man na omuso ye omuso nim
nice one let's omuso nim
yes
to ni abedi pen and tempt say
abedi obi a ono ye nyi no ye hu no say
or you player
one of the best players at Ghana nya
okay
and there no doubt
Timothy your godfather
yes so no ye player bi a many to for ma
ayebi
wa ball a wa be no menye hu bi da wo Ghana
abedi pen
the style no
the star no
menye hu bi
ade wo hu na ka chen sem so no ni kuro mu ye friend say Tamale. Omo the state to be a run about to be so. 10 in a no one face in the eyes of continue to face. Ademi hu ye mi gba papa. Ko papa ni ye ni papa no.
Me hu sa status.
Ah one is status ah.
Ne kwa mi hu ye na mampe.
Enye kura na ni sen ba bia.
Ebesere Tamale for say.
Omo change ni ti no.
Omo metumi aye.
Omo se ni ti no kwa amaye. Okay. Bra pen ye hu se wonya contract bi e wo se China wo say. Anu ye China na. China. Contract, big contract pa. And when some the baby play, I see one of my Ghana for my baby Jet, I love you so much. You are kidding me. Because Ghana for musica. You who the yenye. Eche yesi se wo me de ate se mo. Wo ko ne yesi wo hyeda akọ papa ne nchen sa be di pele se. Wo pese wo kobobo e wo sa ba bi no. Wo ma kwa ma wo kobo wi but eche wo sa tete nchen se ni se nka wo ko bia wo captain Ghana de. Ni se nka kobobo ho. Yesi wo te ha pa.
Oh, no ye we die no.
Dubai die no.
No ye Dubai die no because say oho no obo team a me boy no.
Oh, okay, to one kan ho asem.
No na first person a
okobo sa ho no.
O friend me.
Oh,
say sa team no pay me.
Okay.
Sa dey dey am me feeder. Only first person of friend time say team say ni.
On se koboa o.
Ipa.
Eboa o.
Eboa me pa.
Ba I say o bobo but edu de bia wo bo sika kan ho.
Six kanti ana.
Anu anu aka.
Enze ena me ka say hypocrite. Who ye hypocrite? Obi wo ho nim no kra no.
Pa wonka.
But ohun e kan say hwehwenim.
Hwehwenim.
Ohun nkofo a. Opese o man nkofo hu say e bia say ni say. Ba okodem a. Ono nko a wo ho a. Onu say
I said and cresse wa ko chusu sa
but we hu nkofo ni ti no pese o kan bibi na e ka say
oh were you good
obia ni bia so be ka so on biska
because of do ko school scanty
ejuma ni de unimiye
okay
ejuma ni de unimiye onimiye wo ba obebo ba yen kasikasem nansa
enu na hia no
yen kasikasem na bibia business no bibia contract ni bibia nko yi ansa
okay
obi be ka say oh slow way nti no ne nko be ka say oh mfa biska ne nto na bibia nya right ejuma ni de yakopon de ache me bebo
obebo ne kama eti papa ne ko Dubai no sa be kasa wo
yes
eto say adem tena ko boye o prade na o captain Ghana Blaster na wo ko bo sa local team
sa de o say ono le ya me pese me ka ho too much but
where godfather
de me pese me ka ne
where godfather nti where godfather nti wonka where godfather na some de nka
me sa interview no man be
yes
whole mood o say obi kan say ma e bia o be react e bia o ba me hu article no ba me team free na no
okay let's obi na attraction na no
e be tuma ba ni say o kan e no bi ye
okay
but man tin na no me react mo but man react no say aggressive say
be say
me so me kan bi fa o say o say sa no kan e dia because onu ni obi a ofre me ma me call me so me kan me yes I can me kai but eno de e say na back to we no say me call ho no so ko fi say o ska 17 na me call fine ska 17 na me call but me call no so no me pa national team na fi de me record no goals no ekoso because don't fi say me call am
bobo form
yes
ohonya boba na mobo sa
yes
ko training so snow kura to ba bia me hu say we videos
to be back, me call on World Cup qualifier now. They call Brazil. 15 matches, we share 12.
Wow.
And they qualify for Brazil.
Wow.
What I say? And also qualify. And also a record.
And also a record.
What I say?
And easy.
And you know, you see the BBA to be so big. Obi Becca.
And here no crescent camp. I'm to make oh. Yes, we teach you crown out because when I captain. say am physical Brazil ya dia bobo no tatam na o ma penyo so ye ayi mahama o ma no su ya bi han was misre mu ko yo sika play mu na mo fanko ada na yes capital wa set record ho so am de na woni mo hwe
ohine a untie futu de
yes ohine untie futu no rita krabo woni ti
team ayade a
ayi team work okay nti se wo bobo ya fan se wo bobo na ye disi cap tutu dua beto achi wo camp se bia hotel room o bede no abobo no because as obu o ma play bi o mo de fine nyame ayadomo de bia mo ye senior players maso so sika mu da munim se de sika tie fine obi kosi wachi kwa no kofa hotel sometimes you see ayi crazy ekura ye bo ho ye he kura ho nya Egypt ayi ye bo World Cup Brazil esi Brazil so hoshi ni ye de sika beto players machi ededa mo dem yes obu mo we so ko bo shot kan na match no be fa
Ose ntina na nse ko hotel a safe ni nema bu safe all the code beto so nti safe
so obu on so ni yemtimi shin sa dan hye
oh
so obu on first player ya first aye friend no
safe ni say na tin dan hye kra po na safe no
obu onim sa de no boss okay nice one but ade ba kwa na Ghana for kase ye pe wasem ho no say wo campo o mare ho nsi solo ko fe bi say ai now first wo shabo ewa yi ase enti na wonim say awe no ene solo ku ni ade na wodi akire eno no more na te say obi a wo ye captain say bi o ye kase obi nyame abla ye kase blaster o mo ball blaster nyame ye hira o mo wosika asamo jaka ye say obi be ball blaster e wosika so yi nipa 5 said na wo ka 5 record na sa 5 na asamo jaka by the ne show se wo be ko form se wo no mo nyina solo kui na wutuem bibia ye kama
sana nya me bo me sana nya bibia areho wo no ya me mpe sa fine say you nipa me so sometimes we di areho ne nyama but ebia me no me odem na me di areho a me pie na me ba ha na nkofo wo ha me mo mu
okay anti die ne mo dey anti unsu di areho sese
oh so obi hwe me ebi obi hwe me no enye say me man ono so go down because they look up to me omo hwe me say na bia nkofo ko bibia nkofo show na nkofo ba na we mbo aye
okay
so ono so be go down because yeah na boss
okay ochno
yes
tu ko oye slow na ekele ono
iti bibia no de me wo dem
okay
se sumpo na me ko su am me ko su mo dem me ba na me sere wo wa na obi am feel happy okay dem pese obi aye happy
okay
nti camp no me wo ha one me pese pressure be da obi aso
okay
because ebi I feel same ni niema nti me twen ikudidi wie what I say time aba ko didi wie na yeti dan no se odidi wie a
ni je ho
onko dem street nti no ho na ma start
okay
na me mo sre
obi a ni achi
nti ba de sa o re fi niema bi nti o ko park so a confidence
e wo so
wo so
okay na se no bi na mamo ho ma mo di twitwa na se afa ne video so ya mo di twitwa aye
what I say
sa funny videos no no I didn't beto me sir
say oni pa the way creative yes I think I'm kind of say say dey dem
okay
we say me di e ba so obi a ball
okay
we hu na otunu
okay
we hu na wa yesi we hu na wa yesi you know creativity ni wo I say e go didi e ye ko dem no ye na nti akodem na me ka kire achu say o ma yenye bi
okay
nti ye ya de na me de me meka na osre ontumi camera
ati
nti na ye problem usu na onu hwa
okay
nti ye ya no achu ase no ye ya no ase
oh
e na ose ne ye nsesa
ye de on ne da dem no
yes na me nko na me da dem but
ayi no guy no
kwabla usu on wo ni
unim say sa videos na bra pa yimu twa ye no ebo aboy no
sa
abi ya unim
kwa bi so
unim disi a blaster for tukwan ye wo camp obi ehwe blaster asemoja din akwa ti se wudan o se sibi poso
yeah
nti obi ona ma fomu ya bia no asemoja dan de sisro ehinta
yeah
eti wo soro dada ti taba wo start se wo di ni twa video no emani pa be hu boy no
yeah and regret
no sa ba bo ni mu na ye cheji ye no bo short bi minim so koto so short ne dia
won say asem na ye kana bisi so we say ebi I na me so ebi hu no
yes
amankofo ni akono
so
oba ye no so
obeyi so to be say boy what bench ye dey
aha nti asem na me kan ye no we say me brother ode me ni din na ma me ko me ko no man kogu ni mas
on kogu ni mas
what you say yes me dey born na ye no nkofo nu do hu boy ni say we na dey asamaja ye hwe dey obetumi
aye also bank so be bibi
what you say oba ye na wan be ye bibi a
nka no I demo acting or it one oye na how you know obu omo onye adwuma bia me enter taxi da so baka say tax money na editwe onka and dey on find that out cry
yes
only they didn't tempt to say obu omo baka so they dem ni problem o me dey dey be ni problem ba wo problem because it do maybe quite to say asamoja akra no before ye o metna baasi mu a they did me free business asamoja betre mana because we hwese asamoja betre mu first asan wa betre ba we ka say dey bi ntisa
won say de bi de ameka say onye madamfo
okay anu di ona o ka say obi nti ase o we oduma ye ni say mo bobo
yes ena nema bi wo ha otumi frɛ me
okay
ebisa me asem ada ebi ade we wati na ti say o da say ebi oti bibi negative a otumi to be frɛ me bisa me say ada mati we na no kre confirm me kyerɛ me magasin so enye sanet
okay
sa phone so common
okay
what I say and I say we for example we are me weather so be
so no wadam for
no say me weather there me
oh no kushia na me we say
Miami isha Miami
ono ya America
Miami
the same
hotel
ya
ye ko Brazil na me ishia ne da
wow
na ishia ne na ma da
okay
na me roommate John Boy ti no na ma da ti minute na hu say John Boy afrɛ me bebre I say Saturday nso na ye di me wa da hon komo because ye could do Miami
no match o hana
also but say okuru nso
okay
what I say ti bi see chale da me hu guy we nti e ka
nso mo kasa asem ni bi o
mongo say mo ka bi me makasa onu ni celebrity bi a me hu na me ka say me say me ni utwa picture apart from onu no me hu celebrity bi a me nka say Brian utwa picture
wow because obi so dum nyina so pese hu asamoja no say adam me hu asamoja it also the name Mayweather
me so me the name Mayweather
obi a the name so
what I say anya chi na bi
obi ti
what I say
yes
nti no e ba ye di san komo na me dai ti ye na me dai ti me dai no sa na omo ko mall na mall bi usi hotel no a utwa kwan ma mall bi kase bi wo me fa phone ti na ma me shemi say me roommate oni ho
na ade wo hospital na
ti me friend no friend na chale me wada ni me wada sha o ti ase kai let me say it hona show me Instagram me profile na me ni na show me profile picture on Instagram
o ti ano
na me ni twa picture na ma bobiti
okay
this time na ma yemiti we bi ntino na me pese ntino me bo muskaf
okay
me di see from na Ghana fans no reception on be so mu twa picture me see masa mo ntwe na me twa de wo
mo ba hwehwe me so ko hwe obi
me say o chale mo ntwe na me this speed far say dey no me mistake a car bit me abo me call you no so no bodyguard for mo so be 10
bi tinti ti se me mimi no
bi gina kwan no kai omo so aso sa ko boutique na no oye shop
Mayweather
ti bi call na stop me first
wow
ti stop me na me say masa
ni asamoja yo
bi ba ko esa time no so na abobe 3 something
ahomachi
no ewia
okay
and at 4:30 you call press conference because na e Korea bebo
what's it me bejina bla me hu bla
nti me so say me call press conference for me see o me hu guy the press conference
ade Ghana fo benya di matem
de Ghana fo di matem nti me de me say me nko me gina otwen nti me gina on say omo ho no America ho omo nim football no
also omo dia America football yes okay
omo friend soccer
okay
nti no ya ba ni sana ni chief bodyguard no ankasa no me nka so mpe say me o si me ntwa na me to be hu sisi a nti me je ona na Africa fo
pio no mu asamoja
yes
kai santaya yesu ya stand here wo down yes sister nie wo say ho na wo say nipa ho hia
what you say iti o say me no na me ka che say won say me ko bebi a iti na me ka che say me nko kan che say frame see
that be
frame see na me ma bre me wan say
perform
ono no o ye ne djuma
to hu nipa
tu ko kan say amasa mo ja iti kono ko hwe si kono ko hwe na say
amaka dia wa wo ye ye abo ti ase wo ye ya but pia
iti mi ma kan che ni say me ese iti no me dem say me de na mama yeku
okay
iti e ba ni sana Africa for Nigeria for Ghana for me chucha pictures in Yemen guy no
who is that
boy
kai is somebody
about is inside in so mama kobo me watch ti o share watch na ti o share me so ni for man
who say watch ni kura kasama
what you say
yes
ti about is ana no se oba mo se wa fa ni phone na me so say we ni o go share Instagram
okay Santoya Santaya
what you say
kasi so de be baba
go bibia no se wa kasa wo phone so ma won se be be ki
on na ebe
me say dey let to me so me di banka so the one na me ni twa picture no
wow
the twa picture no na the kasa no si o Ghana ti say so Ghana na me say me so mo boxing see me say me no be juma na say ni see ti e ba ni sanana di buta
mo chenyi numbers oh nice one
ti e ba ni sanu one funny number na mama as the bodyguard no the bodyguard na me ne chat
okay
ti bibi na mafa so na me na akasa ti ho na
adam fufa no
ba yenye
two crosses nice one but wo hu se wo so yi obi because Ghana no esu but ni obi na yetini din ewi aseso ni obi na ne din wo what you say but asamo wo din o e pe for say the odin ni yebo
yeah
edin kura woni kura na dan we kura kra atwe ama won asamo gyan enya asam keto
won say me na ade na yemi won say me say na me hu no enti na de bia me pese me ye mo no
okay
pese me mo say nkofu hu me no me hu me hu sa
okay
yeah sometimes me brother put me frame it and say who nim nipa o ye won
I will have to me feel
me brother pin me be say who nim
bafo gyan
de e koso who nim de e koso
asa hu say who ni nipa so masi
o de wa binya nto da
etimi to me
utimi transbisa won say
eti mimini but asamoja level no me ka say me do France na me kofo plan akotek nipa me to mo de ye menu me ka say me free Ghana omo bo asamoja di bo dede oh blaster de bia de me kan say ogu mo te Ghana but oni blaster so fa so
yeah
true say ye di kan start say ye call World Cup ana nipa bi country bi ti say kro bi din de eye Ghana because World Cup on century na amokoye ne titu hwe America kakra kai na hwe kro kitu New York kura so sen Ghana na mo chi America fo pam mo enti e ma America ni bi kura hu a wo say who is Ghana obogogo ni etem kitikiti na mo go fo enti e ma nkofo hunu say ye bi say ba ma ya de
sa we ni na ya ma me hu bibia medi no
edu
go say because last na me kan we say tama me wo Sunderland na Sunderland ni bi owo factory wo London
okay
the factory no wo London or nipa wo ni sa company
okay
or London but the crew no as obi ofi Kumasi a wabet na Accra
okay
and the company wa Accra
okay.
but ofi Kumasi
okay
what you say
yeah.
Until no Sunderland
this party dey ni bi no
yes what you say ono ebi amemi wo kotoko no no wa
okay
until me pokotoko ni ntino ebi am family for no mo the company no otumi yi obi na sa family ni nko awu because of me pokotoko ni
okay so who did it
yes ebia ni we ni wo London
no
ebia Ghana for na wo
who
ye overhaul otumi yi
obia but mo de mo ye Ghana for mo ya samojan mo fra samojan krom
o free me krom obo mi krom team
okay
enti mo no de mo be stay
wow
other countries in the omeko fie what you say wow. It is sometimes you know bibi bana mi bufu a ebia you can say me hu Ghana ni people outside amenya because omunim Dubai crowd ko na o the Ghana passport no to ha ebia treatment I was some de ma ono omu gugum kakra
because we obi
we hu Ghana passport omu hwe niam po bebre maka say Enti no e agofo bibi confess.
Dubai na so ato be the best for.
O asem de benka.
O de menka.
So
top down their rent rough.
Say nya aka.
Hey, bla nyame esira wo. Se bi o wutimi nya abotre twa woto. Because who is running too much. But that's like when it's our business so. You see, and you can say church normal war, say be a insurance business here. The Ghana and Quackano. Company Ben will be tear bones away as a moja, the way as a moja.
When say the India me yes and say be a jab or no boy.
Yes.
Will be any hobby to me.
Debbie.
Be any hobby or because a monthly salary. I feel the owner would you go for.
Yes.
Intino, one you be being so oh bedding. Inti
not the EBB
or 7 EBB kakra.
Nice one.
At the end of second dimension, and also create employment too. And you said, and I did be a make say, yes, who cruise and yes, or just a so man paying one, a EBB or EBB. Says a private center, no kind of more man paying crown hoton. What I say, Saturday, and so they meet me the one. Sir, until you were him for Paradise. Paradise Park, they say, our cry, a big Kumasi. There be say, here, Mafina company. Oh, and soon I come on package no craft. Most sponsor protocol. Sir, you Kumasi. That's all. You Kumasi. Okay. See, I won't your Makata. And two who baby Kumasi, a wapoti. Oh, Kumasi baby, Kumasi baby. I did sponsor protocol here. That's all we say. Kumasi baby. That's my idea. Because Kumasi, the other now protocol, some say. Quite a minimum. Yes, I say, Oblabo Cotocana, Obocotocan, so it's the only soon that you want to me, you're studying in an Acotoco because you will meet to Cotoco. Okay, Papa Cotoco. Okay, okay. But middle one, Michael, on no, phobia. I did fear but that phobia no Cotoco Bobo de me pay. I first time I may share go against a glass of food. Oh, ya Contoko, sir, Contocans, I echo. And I'll say, Satana may basson. It's a top 4. It's the first time I may share good, I may share Olympics. It's Olympics 2, 4. Okay. It's next game a class of food. Oh, it's be bare if you know. When you're going to go and say, next game a class of food. If you know. Oh, no, some pennies have now. What you lean to know? I say, who bet me as a house. It's one of your twins, yeah. Oh, and that's all. Can only Marco share house in the twin jazz. Nothing, a baby. Okay, no, who be only be met my yes. But has no who says I was so. You know, I don't support the team. Wow. What I say? I come out and you're two in Chano, you're calling one. Oh, Sandy and me, I'll bet you because one could go in 2002. Me call you at the end of it. Nice one. Nice one. It is here in Sue, you know. That's a Ghana day. Paradise water day. Ubenya bi baby. Ubenya bi. Almost such as a bottle. Almost such it. Else our bottle. Our bottle. Nice one. Maybe truly. Ede. Yeah. You know Musu. I'm the one come. Obi good, bro. Obi good, bro. The water is life. What you say? What you say? Me say me no Musu be madam for be no Musu be me say. You beg you to me. Somebody has said you go show no more. Somebody be no go more. Say, then a crown and foul. Oh, I could be tested in showing and say, oh, that was a show boy and my own poison. The woman test night overdose. But me testing showing truly, yes, be I ask a more tina make and show paradise once. Nice one. A more day. Nice one. A more the power. Next, a implant of 4 crown Ghana. Yes, baby. And a soap you want some name. Soap, yenya soup. I even know a woman. Anna, and me a brand ambassador. Okay. Anna, I rush so I be there. Energy drink, you know. So me a brand ambassador. Wow. I don't want you woman. Because you there before that you be brandon and no crown percentage you. Say omuna ombe benefit. More if you go Dino. So drink so boyo. Omuni you bet me aye. Mo fa me nti no. Ni nyina ka eduma no. Nice one. Nti ye kasa asemoja de asemoja bia ye nya nsuo no. Ana de he biem. Ana bibi foforo wa kira. Bebre. Bet ma bobidin. O de ye focus nsuo na ansa. Eba ni sa na unse Ghana for de. Ye ni de ye. Kalik sikafo. Gegu menu ye program nti no. Open gate fee free. And oh!
ana obewie na onipa wo mso no aboka
nti mi ma hu se we me dia na abeka se
okay fa ho sie kakra
o so to
ana me pra akra na bie sa company we na madam fo no